In this video, you'll learn how to change to portrait and landscape mode in Google Docs. Whether you're formatting a school report, a business document, or a flyer, knowing how to switch between these two-page orientations will help your document look the way you want. First, make sure you're signed in to your Google account and have your document open in Google Docs. You can either create a new blank document or open an existing one from your list of recent files. Once the document is open in your browser, you're ready to adjust the page orientation. At the top left of the screen, you'll see the main menu bar. Start by clicking on the File menu. This is where Google Docs keeps most of the document level settings, like downloading, printing, and page setup. When you click File, a long drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for the option called Page Setup. It's usually located near the bottom of the list. Go ahead and click Page Setup. This opens a small settings window in the middle of your screen that controls how your pages are formatted. Inside the Page Setup window, you'll see several options, including page orientation, paper size, and margins. For this video, we're focusing on the orientation section. You'll see two choices, portrait and landscape. Portrait mode is the default in Google Docs. It's taller than it is wide, and it works best for most standard documents like letters, essays, and reports. If your document is mostly text, or if you're printing on regular letter-sized paper, you'll usually want to keep it in portrait. Landscape mode is wider than it is tall. This is useful when you're working with wide content that doesn't fit comfortably on a vertical page. For example, you might switch to landscape if you have a large table with many columns, a wide chart or image, or a design that needs more horizontal space, like a simple flyer or a one-page schedule. To change your current document, simply click the circle next to portrait or the circle next to landscape, depending on what you need. As soon as you make your choice, you'll see the small page preview in the window adjust to show the new orientation. This helps you confirm that you've selected the right option before applying it. If you want this orientation to apply only to the document you're currently working on, you can move straight to the next step. After selecting portrait or landscape, click the OK button at the bottom right of the page setup window. Your document will immediately switch to the new orientation and you'll see the page reshape in the background. If your content already exists on the page, Google Docs will automatically reflow the text and reposition the elements based on the new width and height. After the change, it's a good idea to scroll through the document once and make sure everything still looks the way you want. You may need to adjust images, tables, or line breaks slightly so they take advantage of the new layout. That's all you need to do. Open Google Docs, go to File, choose Page Setup, select Portrait or Landscape, and click OK. Once you get used to it, changing the orientation becomes a quick and simple part of formatting any document you create.